Hey y'all, out here at National Auto and Truck Museum, NATMUS, in Auburn, Indiana, and they have a Chrysler concept vehicle. I don't know much about it, but there's some paperwork on it in there. And for some reason, Chrysler loans them a concept vehicle every 90 days. Pretty cool. Never seen one, never seen this one. Anyways, let me get the camera turned around and take a quick look at it. Quick little spy shot video, right? I'm at the National Auto and Truck Museum in Auburn, Indiana. NATMUS. And for some reason, Chrysler loans them a concept car. Every 90 days, they switch out concept cars. And so this is here. It'll only be here for a couple more months, but man, how cool is that? Look at that glass roof. Now, some nice lines. I don't know what else. 23s. Oh, that's cool. Piedmont. Man, that is really cool, right? I mean, it won't look like this when it shows up from on the street if it ever does, but look at the mirrors. They're like projector lights. And it's kind of got the GTR. Actually looks a lot like the GTR insert there. But no, I like it. I like the color. That is a way cool color. Awesome lines. Great stance. Oh, it's a ZEO. It's electric. Piedmont, I guess is what it's called. Sorry I'm in here so close, but for obvious reasons, right? Put a Hemi in that. I like it. That's cool. Talk about everybody being able to see you. Might get hot, but no, I'm down, man. I think it's cool. So there you go. From the National Auto and Truck Museum, a Chrysler concept vehicle. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya!